Hi folks, today we're going to look at the procedure to install a DEF Awning Kit in a Detroit Diesel 1 box. These Detroit Diesel 1 boxes can sometimes suffer from DEF buildup in the SCR mixing chamber, most often on the GHG14 generation of 1 boxes. Over time this can lead to intermittent problems with fault codes like 4364 FMI18, which is low NOx conversion efficiency. Vehicles that run a very high speed and high load duty cycle are more prone to this problem. Quite often running in very humid climates can also be a contributing factor to this. What happens is DEF that's entering the 1 box tends to get pushed to the bottom of the 1 box by the hot exhaust gases that are exiting the DPFs. Detroit has developed this protective awning to sort of shield the DEF that's being injected into the 1 box from the hot exhaust gases that are rushing by. This allows the DEF to properly mix with the exhaust gases and continue on into the SCR catalyst instead of getting stuck to the bottom. It's a very simple idea, and it's a very simple procedure to install one. The only problem you can face is sometimes the intimidation of drilling into a $10,000 unit, but it often goes quite smoothly when you follow the directions. This is the DEF Awning Kit. It comes with the awning, 2 lock nuts, and 2 washers. So here's how we go about installing one. The first step is to remove any fairings or steps or anything like that that might be in your way. Remove the outboard heat shield on the 1 box and the outboard DPF. I have other videos covering these topics if you want to check them out as well. Once the outboard DPF is removed, you can look down and see the opening to the SCR mixing chamber. You can see where DEF is injected from the DEF dosing unit, and in this case of the one I was working on, you can see the buildup of DEF in the bottom of the mixing chamber. Now even this amount of DEF built up on the bottom is still considered normal by Detroit Diesel. You can see a couple of other pictures here of what they consider to be abnormal or excessive amount of DEF buildup. We found that even the amount of DEF buildup in the picture that I've taken can still lead to problems though over time. That amount of DEF buildup can still be cleared out using a park regen, but it's downtime. So if the vehicle is suffering from these intermittent low SCR NOx conversion issues, and it looks like one of the main causes could be DEF buildup in the aftertreatment system, or the DPF is being removed for cleaning or service of any kind, I'd recommend installing an awning anyway. There's really no downside to it. Alright, so back to the install. You'll also need access to the rear of the 1 box. You'll need room to operate a drill above the DEF dosing unit. Depending on the configuration of the vehicle you're working on, you may have a fuel tank or something like that in your way. If so, you'll probably need to remove the entire 1 box from the vehicle just to make room for this. A 90-degree drill can help when space is limited. Next, remove the DEF dosing unit and move it aside. Next, you'll need to print out the awning template to attach to the 1 box. I've included a link in the description to where you can download the template. Now you may need to make a couple of adjustments when you're printing it out to ensure it's the proper size. If you're printing from Adobe Reader, select Actual Size as the option under Page Sizing and Handling. Once it's printed, compare it to the DEF awning mounting studs to make sure it was printed to the right size. Once you're sure it's the right size, you can cut it out and attach it to the outside of the 1 box. The curves cut into the awning template will line up with the heat shield on the outside of the 1 box. Just line everything up and tape it to the side of the 1 box right above the DEF dosing unit. To begin, drill 2 7mm pilot holes through the heat shield and the 1 box assembly, right through to the inside, in the 2 spots marked on the template. Next, you'll drill 2 16mm holes through the 7mm pilot holes, but only through the heat shield on the outside of the 1 box. You're not drilling completely through the unit with the 16mm bit. This is just to allow clearance for the washers and lock nuts to attach the awning to the inside. Now, a 16mm drill bit is a pretty big drill bit, and if you're like me and you don't usually keep one on hand, what you can often do is just drill the hole out to the biggest bit that you have available, and then use something like a carbide deburring tool to open up the hole big enough to get your nuts and socket wrench in there to tighten it down. As you can see from this picture, it doesn't need to be pretty. Once your holes are drilled, you can install the DEF awning on the inside of the 1 box. Use the 2 washers and lock nuts provided in the kit to secure it, and torque them to 6 foot-pounds. After that, just reinstall everything the way you found it. Reinstall the DEF dosing unit, reinstall the outboard DPF, heat shield, etc. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and also hit that little bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And as always, thanks for watching.